Relaxo is India's largest footwear manufacturer and also operates over 350 own online retail stores, available on all major e-commerce sites. Continuing to stay ahead of the market, Relaxo uses a manufacturing execution system, MES, which aids in production decisions and optimizes production lines to increase yields. There is a large amount of important production data that needs to be analyzed every day, therefore, Relaxo needs a new storage solution to manage the growing data of production equipment. After comparing different solutions, Relaxo decided to install the QSAN 8008R at the factory and the higher capacity QSAN 8012R at the headquarters. After the QSAN 8008R backup task at each factory is completed every day, the backup data will be immediately copied to the QSAN 8012R at the headquarters. We are satisfied with both sales and service from QSAN and Nubigo Technologies. Product quality and the built-in enterprise features support our backup consolidation across multiple plants.